to my channel! And so today I'm going to cook stir-fried leek with sliced beef using these only 3 ingredients, which are of course 1 stalk of leek and lean meat of beef and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And so yes, without any further ado, let's go! After washing properly the leek, we just have to slice it thinly, diagonally like this. Yes, all of it. I really love it. Like, it's spicy. It tastes just like onions. Yum. And also we will slice our beef thinly. Like, you can get as thin as you want so that it's easy to cook. Yeah. And now let's marinate our beef. We have to add as well like a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This will help to tenderize the meat. And of course our oyster sauce, just these 2. And we will mix it thoroughly. Hands is still the best to use when you are mixing meat. Like, you know, when you are marinating things, it's still better to like mix it using your hands. Like, no kidding. Yes. And then we were now ready to cook it. There you go. So we are now ready to cook. Let's just heat some oil in a wok. Then we will stir fry first the beef. Yes, you heard me right. We don't need garlic or anything. Just fry the beef like this over high heat. And I find it like more fragrant. There's this like smoky taste when I'm cooking dishes in a wok. Like, I don't know if you can relate with me, guys. Like, there's really a difference between it. And so yes, when it's 80% done, I mean the beef, when it's 80% done, we can add our leek and stir fry it. Yes, just keep stir frying it. Some people may like to eat this just like this. I also like to eat this at this doneness because it's spicy, but since we have kids, so kids wouldn't really take that spiciness, so we have to cook it well this time. And when it's done, just switch off the fire immediately and then transfer it into a serving plate. And there you go. Now you have your stir-fried leek with beef. Hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and of course give us your comment on the comment section below. Till the next video!